Good afternoon everybody, it's Angela and David from Wyllie's Travel Adventures.
Good afternoon.
David's driving, the weather is the pits. We're on our way to Liverpool. We've never been before, so it's going to be a learning curve for us. We're just going to go with the flow. We're going to go and have a look around the Christmas markets. I think it's got to be a better day there than it is up here. It takes about 2.5 hours from Longtown in Cumbria. He has just popped because we're up towards Shap. Ooh, it's really popped. Anyways, according to the sat nav, we should be there about 10 to 3, just in time for check-in. We're staying at the Dolby Hotel, which is on the Queen's Dock, so we'll give you a room tour when we get there, and then probably see you later when we have a look around the Christmas markets and things. Weather permitting, yeah. I've got the gimbal, so I'll probably take it with us today. Maybe it's not tomorrow or Tuesday, because I think it's going to rain a bit. So we'll see you later when we get down to Liverpool. Bye for now. We're about 6.1 miles away from our destination, and we can see the docks in the distance, and we can see the cranes anyway.
Roundabout after half a mile.
See the cranes in the distance anyway, so it hasn't been not a long journey really. We've done all right. Loads of speed cameras along here and whatnot. Skyline was pretty impressive before with all the cranes and whatnot at the docks. So we've got another 3.1 miles to go. We're sort of like adjacent to all the docks at the moment. We're heading to the waterfront central tourist attractions.
That's a new stadium.
Building a new stadium over there, David says. Everton Football Club. Oops, we're a bit wonky because of the going over the grates and things. That building front, that's all being built up at the moment. Don't know what it's going to be though.
Building of some kind.
Yeah, it's looks as if it's getting done up. Well, we just got lost, just a little bit. The roads must have all changed, and sat nav hasn't kept up. So we ended up going down a street and it was only one way, so we had to double back. Got plenty of time before it gets dark. That's the Radisson Blue Hotel straight ahead. Quite a big building. All the way up there.
Shit.
That's one of the famous buildings in Liverpool.
Yeah, keep left here.
Tony and Montana is in cars, unfortunately.
Look at that building. Lovely. You see the rivers down that side, the River Mersey down there. There's Liverpool's wheel. Queen's Dock over there. So now we've arrived at our destination, the Dolby Hotel, and it's situated on the Queen's Dock, which is next door to the King's Dock, I think.
See across the road.
Yeah, we've got a KFC across the road over there, and we're right on the waterfront. So we're going to go and check in now, see where our room is before we bring all the stuff in. So we'll see you in a bit. So, just up on floor 2, sorry. You can see the Liverpool wheel in the distance. It takes about a 20-minute walk to get to the Christmas markets from here. And also Albert Dock. So we're on the second floor, room 224. So I'll just have a knock. Nobody in. There's nobody home. And here we go. Let's have a look at the room. So nice and compact. So we've got a wee table here. Got my bag on already. Tea and coffee making facilities. And then we've got a television. And a mirror. No wardrobe. So very bijou and compact, isn't it? A few little hangers for your clothes. A table there. And we're on the dock. How cool is that? And that's the sun setting in the distance. Oh, the swan boat's over there. Oh, net curtains, I don't like them. David, hold this net curtain out the way, would you? Looking horrible things. So yeah, you can see the swan boats over there. And that's his King's Dock car park over there. So that's out our view out the window, which is quite good. So we'll just spin you around here. You know, just cheap and cheerful really to get your head down. £168 for 2 nights, not bad for Liverpool. And breakfast is included. And this is the bathroom, which is very compact. There's a step up there. Red sink, which is very unusual. Shower. Hiya. And there we have it. Very unusual sink. And that's the room. So we're going to go back down and get our stuff. David take the picture. Go back down, get our stuff, and then have a bit wander along to the docks and see what's going on. Because I think the weather's going to be a bit inclement the next couple of days. I may as well get some decent photos and videos now. Okay, so we'll see you all later.